speaking of lead generation, I forgot the gentleman's name. He showed me a sneak peek of the product you're bringing out here. You got guys that came from some of the top publicly traded companies in digital marketing, right?
Yeah.
So I know some of the people, like the fact that you hired so well, man, and this culture here. Let's talk about that, because I think that, we talk about Generation Z. There's a little difference between their generation, our generation, right? But at the end of the day, this creator economy, I think, is fueled by Gen Z. You agree with that, or what's your thoughts on all that?
I would agree. I think I was a little bit jaded about it at the beginning.
I think we all do, yeah.
But then I realized, there is a phase in whenever you're building a new technology company, and I've been working in tech startups for the last 12, 13 years. Early on, there was a consumer education phase. So the company's been around about 5 years, fan basis, but we exploded in the last 2 years. I think the first couple of years was consumer education.
So when did fan base start again?
5 years ago. So now I think it's 2021.
Wow.
Yeah.
So you say education, yeah.
Yeah. So you have to get past this consumer education phase. You're teaching a whole group of business owners a new way of doing something. And at first, people didn't know who fan basis was. Now everybody knows who we are, and we're a household name in the space. So we're past that point of teaching, a lot of these online businesses about buy now, pay later, which is not something they ever implemented in fan basis. In fact, when a business comes onto fan basis and they start using our buy now, pay later options, they will do about 38% more top line revenue in the first 90 days because now they can transact with so many more customers that they otherwise couldn't before. So absolutely game changer for the business.
Yeah, another key stat is that 67% of your business is referral based, right?
Yes, that's insane. Yeah. That's actually how we built fan basis without ever spending a dime on sales or marketing. We could not have anybody here in our growth or sales or marketing team and we'd be fine. And I think that speaks to the value that we provide to businesses. We're extremely white glove. Now, that's something that's harder to keep up at scale, right? As you get bigger and you get a bigger seller base on fan basis, can we provide that same level of service? Well, that's what we stand on. You try to get your funds back from Stripe, you are not getting anybody on the phone.
You can't talk to anyone.
It's one for English, two for Spanish, and then you're talking to an automated voice. Here, you have somebody in a channel. You have a direct account manager that's actually helping you scale your offer, but that's readily available. We call it better than Disney customer support. So I think that's a big deal. Is any business that comes on, they know that we're basically a partner in their business that's not taking any equity. People do not just come to fan basis to process their current payments. They come to fan basis to make more money and to scale, and that's the key phrase there.
NewsBreak is the fastest growing local news app in the United States, with over 50 million monthly and 16 million daily users checking in throughout the day. When you sign up, the NewsBreak team reaches out with white glove service to get you onboarded and making money right away. Up to $5,000 in matching ad credits, quick account approvals, and dedicated account management to help you find early success. To learn more and sign up, check out the link in the description below. Don't waste time. Sign up now and let's fucking go. Ringba is the leading inbound call tracking and analytics platform for marketers, brands, and pay-per-call teams. It gives you real-time reporting, intelligent call routing, and fully customizable call flows backed by global telecom access in more than 60 countries. With enterprise-grade reliability, a powerful API, and no contracts or setup fees, Ringba has become a go-to platform for performance marketers worldwide. To learn more and to sign up, check out the link in the description below. Get goated and let's fucking go. Your network is your net worth. We got a fucking crazy network of people. I'm not talking about your average motherfucker. I'm talking about people doing $300,000, $400,000, $500,000 a day in ad spend. People that have made billions of dollars in sales. People have exited their companies for about $1 billion. We hit 100 episodes. Guess what? We're about to take shit to the next level. So you want to be part of it? Subscribe right now. Remember, no money, no honey. Let's fucking go.